Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, heated mirrors, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, remote trunk release, LED headlights, steel wheels, wheel covers. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.